Hey everyone, if you want to use FlowGPT for marketing in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to use AI prompts to create ads, content, and marketing strategies easily. First, FlowGPT helps marketers by providing AI prompts for advertising, branding, social media, and content strategy. Start by opening FlowGPT in your browser and signing into your account. Use the search bar and type keywords like ad copywriter, email marketing prompt, or SEO content generator. Select a prompt that matches your marketing goal. Edit the prompt with your product name, audience, and niche to get targeted results. Run the prompt and let the AI create marketing content like ads, captions, or email copy. Review the output and refine it to match your brand tone and style. Save high-performing marketing prompts so you can reuse them for future campaigns. For better marketing results, always include your target audience, product details, and emotional triggers in prompts. A common mistake is using generic prompts, which leads to weak and ineffective marketing content. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use FlowGPT for marketing in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.